Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dr. Muhammad Sajjad Sarwar here as an instructor of medical entomology. This branch is related with the study of insects which are related with public health. Nowadays, you have heard a lot about COVID-19, which is commonly called as coronavirus. No doubt, this is a pandemic, and the term pandemic is used when epidemics of any disease occurred in different continents of all over the world. So, no doubt, this is not a arthropod-borne disease, whereas a lot of pandemic has been reported before which were related with the insects. Have you heard about the malaria that's very old? It is well documented that the number of people died from World War II is less than the number of people which were died due to malaria. Similarly, you have heard about the dengue. 2 centuries before the pandemic of dengue occurred and lots of mortality were reported at that time. Similarly, more a couple of pandemics of plague they were also occurred a few centuries before. So I told you about malaria, dengue, plague. All of these diseases they were spread due to insects. So in the medical entomology we will study how the insects looks like. For example, what is their external morphology, what is the life cycle of the insects which are medically important, how they transmit any parasite or pathogen. So in this course is very interesting. We will study about other diseases as well which are spread by insects. So you will know about the sand flies, black flies, house flies, horse flies, fleas, etc. Let me talk about the parasites or pathogens which are transmitted through these vectors. So let me tell you first what is vector. Vector is any organism which carries a parasite or pathogen from one place to another. For example, you know very well about the plasmodium, which is a protozoan parasite of malaria that is transmitted by the mosquito, which is mosquito of the genus Anopheles. If we talk more specifically, then Anopheles stephensii, Anopheles culicifacies. These are the vectors which carries plasmodium from one human host to another. Let us decide some rules to study in this group. For example, there is no need to reply unnecessary unnecessarily. Thanks, yes sir. I think there is no need, and we should avoid to comments which are not needed. Let me give you course outline and some books which are considered as recommended books of medical entomology. So in this semester we will take help from two books which are given